Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I just want you to know that I have series of videos for grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, and grade 6 mathematics. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. In this video, you're going to learn about multiplication of radicals. Here's the rule in multiplying radicals. Simply multiply the radicands and simplify. So the radicands, these are the numbers inside the radical sign. So we have 3 and 2, just multiply them. So square root of 3 times square root of 2 is equal to square root of 6. Then simplify, but square root of 6 is already in simplest form. Okay, number 2, I have here 2 square root of 5 times 5 square root of 5. So first multiply this number 2 and 5. 2 times 5, that is equal to 10. And then square root of 5 times square root of 5 is equal to square root of 25. And then you can simplify square root of 25. So just copy 10. What is square root of 25? 5. So times 5. You are going to multiply whatever the number that you simplified here or you extracted the square root. You need to multiply that to the number outside. So 10 times 5, that is equal to 50. Now here, I have here 8 square root of 18 times 6 square root of 50. So now, you're just going to multiply 8 times 6, that is 48. And then 18 times 50, that is equal to 900. Now, 900 is actually a perfect square. But if you don't know if it's a perfect square or not, you can use prime factorization. So let's say 900 is simply 9 times 100. But we know that 9 is a perfect square and 100 is a perfect square. So square root of 9, that is 3, and square root of 100, that is 10. So you're just going to multiply this 2. Therefore, the square root of 900 is 30. Okay? So that is now 48, then 9 times 100, and get the square root. So 48, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 100 is 10. So multiply these three numbers, that is equal to 1,440. Or you can also do like simplifying this one first before multiplying. Okay? That's another way on how you can get the product of this. In that case, your number inside will not get bigger. Okay, we'll try that. So the first one is 8 square root of 18, and I can now simplify 18 as 9 times 2, right? Now, what is square root of 9? That is 3. So I'm going to multiply that 3 to 8, that is 24. So what is left inside now is square root of 2. And for 6 square root of 50, so 50 is what? Factors of 20, 25 times 2. 25 is a perfect square, so what is the square root of 25? 5. So that 5, I'm going to multiply that to 6 here, so that is 30. So what is left inside is square root of 2. And then I'm going to multiply 24 times 30. So what is 24 times 30? Okay, so 0. And then 3 times 4, that is 12. 1. So that is 3, 6, 7, 20. So 720. Then multiply square root of 2 times square root of 2. That is square root of 4. And what is square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. So 720 times 2, that is equal to 1,440. So that's the other way on how you're going to multiply this. Sometimes this one is better because you notice the number here will just get bigger. If it's not a perfect square, you need to go back to like this, doing prime factorization. So here, look at this. I have here 2 terms times 2 terms. So we're just like multiplying binomials. We can use FOIL method or distributive property. So square root of 3 times 3, simply, we are just going to copy that, 3 square root of 3. We cannot multiply 3 and 3 because this one has no radical sign. Next, square root of 3 times negative square root of 3, that is equal to negative square root of 9. Let's proceed to the inner terms. So square root of 2 times 3 is, so that is plus 3 square root of 2. And then square root of 2 times negative square root of 3, that is negative square root of 6. Now, we cannot combine this one. We cannot add them because the radicand here is 3 while here is 2. So not the same. But we can simplify square root of 9. So we're just going to copy that. What is square root of 9 is 3, so minus 3. Copy that. And then, well, square root of 6 is already in simplest form, so we're just going to copy that also. This is now the final answer. Now, in number 5 here, if you want to try this, you can pause the video and unpause if you are ready. Okay, so we have square root of 5, just use distributive property. Times square root of 5, that is square root of 25. And then square root of 5 times square root of 6. So this is minus here. So this becomes negative square root of 6. So minus square root of 30. Now we can simplify square root of 25. And that is equal to 5. And square root of 30 is already in simplest form. So that is simply just copy that. So that's the final answer here. 5 minus square root of 30. So that's how you're going to multiply radicals. Simply multiply the radicand or radicands, then simplify. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye! Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.